Hi, my name is Oliad. I work at the Minneapolis Convention Center, and I'm a senior supervisor in the events department. We do a lot of shows. We do about 400 shows a year. My favorite show is the car show. I love cars. We will have about 1,500 cars in the building. I don't get enough of it. We're gonna bring all the chairs from the south wall. It's been 11 years since I've been working for the city of Minneapolis. Thank you, man. And I love it. I love the people. How you doing? Good to see you. I love the culture. And also I love what I do. I do planning and organizing and staying in touch with different departments. Planning ahead is important because everything is connected. If you miss one thing, you're gonna keep missing everything. We have in my shift about 22 employees. They do cleaning and setting up the shows, setting the risers and the chairs, breaking down the set once the event is over. The culture we have here is based on teamwork and helping each other. Every day is a different day. Every day is fun. Different shows every single day. You meet different people from all over the world. I'm so proud by what I'm doing and by what I'm giving also back to the community.